A lookout circular has been issued against the parents of Pooja Khetkar in the abduction case, in the kidnapping case of a truck helper in Navi Mumbai. The police have issued a lookout circular against Dilip Khetkar, father of Pooja Khetkar, and her mother Manorama Khetkar. The Navi Mumbai police are continuously searching for Dilip Khetkar and Manorama. Both have been absconding for 9 days now. Palas joining me live. Palas, what are the police sources telling you in this case? There's been a lookout notice, a huge step in the hunt for the couple, but give us the details that you have.
Rightly said, Vedika, it's a very huge step in hunt of catching the two accused in this entire case. The case was registered on the 13th September in the evening. This whole incident took place near Mulund-Airoli Highway on 13th September at 7:35 p.m. when a car and a truck was in a hit situation. Over there were two persons in the car, Land Cruiser. One was Dilip Khetkar and his bodyguard Praful Saluke. These two people were engaged in a heated argument between the truck driver and the truck helper. In this situation, truck helper was kidnapped by the bodyguard and Dilip Khetkar and was taken to Pune residence of Manorama Khetkar in Pune. Over there, this entire situation took place. There are two FIR which has been registered. There were a process where Navi Mumbai police was trying to say the lookout circular. Now lookout circular has been issued in this entire matter. It's been more than 9 days when this entire situation occurred, and the two accused with one more unknown accused, total of 3 accused, is still on a run, and Navi Mumbai police or Pune crime branch are unable to catch them. But in this entire situation, one thing which has been came from the sources is that on the day when Navi Mumbai police and Pune police was there at Pune residence of Manorama Khetkar to investigate, at that very day in 12 to 3 p.m. time, Manorama Khetkar, Dilip Khetkar and the bodyguard Praful Saluke, all three ran from there. Dilip Khetkar and Praful Khetkar ran in Land Cruiser. They went to Nagar first, and after that Dilip Khetkar took the car. Police also suspects that Dilip Khetkar is the person who has hid the Land Cruiser, and he is on a run right now. In this entire case, one arrest has been made. It's the bodyguard who was also an accused in this entire matter of kidnapping the helper Prahalad Kumar.
Paras, thanks for those details. That manhunt continues for Khetkar's parents there. Now, lookout circular also has been issued. They've been on the run, remember, for 9 days now.